Quad City Steamwheelers are on a roll and are making some waves in the IFL. The Steamwheelers return to the TechSlayer Center on Saturday, April 30th as they take on the Green Bay Blizzard. As if you needed another reason to come see the high-flying, hard-hitting action of Steamwheelers football, it's also $2 beer night. Tickets start at only $12. Get them now at the TechSlayer box office or at SteamwheelersFootball.com. $2 beer night. The Steamwheelers versus Green Bay, Saturday night, April 30th. Presented by Tyson Foods.